Imagine you're about to order your favorite food on GrabFood, but you're running low on GrabPay credits. What do? You could top up manually, but that's a hassle. Or, you could link your bank account directly to your GrabPay wallet and enjoy seamless, hassle-free transactions. Ever wondered how to do that? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to link your bank account to your GrabPay wallet. Before we dive into the tutorial, let's understand why linking your bank account to GrabPay is a smart move. For starters, it eliminates the need for constant manual top-ups. You can simply link your bank account once, and GrabPay will automatically deduct funds from your account whenever you need to pay for something. Secondly, it offers a more secure way to pay. With your bank account linked, you can enjoy the added security of your bank's authentication methods, such as OTPs or fingerprint scans. Finally, it gives you more flexibility. You can use your GrabPay wallet for a wide range of transactions, from food delivery and rides to online shopping and bill payments. Open the Grab app. The first step is to open the Grab app on your smartphone. Go to My Wallet, tap on the My Wallet icon at the bottom of the app. Select Link Bank Account, look for the option to link bank account and tap on it. Choose your bank. You'll be presented with a list of banks that Grab supports. Select your bank from the list. Enter your bank details. You'll be asked to enter your bank account number, bank code, and other necessary details. Verify your account. Grab may require you to verify your bank account to ensure security. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Additional tips. Security. Always ensure that you're using a secure Wi-Fi connection when linking your bank account to GrabPay. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues during the linking process, refer to Grab's FAQ section or contact their customer support for assistance. Linking your bank account to your GrabPay wallet is a simple and convenient way to manage your GrabPay balance. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily connect your bank account and enjoy the benefits of seamless transactions. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy grabbing.